In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use MT5 News Feed. The news feed in Metatrader 5 is your built-in stream of real-time market and economic updates delivered right into the platform so you don't have to jump between websites or apps. You'll see headlines about announcements, data releases, sentiment shifts, and broader events that can drive price movements. One important note up front: the news feed is provided by your broker. If nothing appears, it likely means your broker hasn't enabled it for your account. That's normal in some cases, so don't worry if it's empty at first. Let's get you set up on desktop. First, make sure news is enabled. At the top of MT5, open the Tools menu and choose Options. In the Options window, switch to the Server tab and check the box labeled Enable News, then click OK. From here, MT5 will begin receiving updates automatically in the background as your broker publishes them. If you still don't see anything after this, it often comes down to broker availability for your specific account type. Next, open the news feed so you can view headlines. Press Ctrl+T to bring up the toolbox at the bottom of the platform. Inside that panel, click the News tab. You'll immediately see a running list of recent headlines with timestamps. This panel is resizable, so feel free to drag its edge to make it easier to read while you're watching charts. When you're ready to dive into an item, just double-click a headline. The full article opens in a pop-up window where you can read the details behind the move. If you right-click a news item, you can copy content or, if your broker supports it, adjust how the news is displayed. Keep in mind that the richness of each article, like source, depth, and formatting, depends on the feed your broker provides. While the News tab is great for breaking headlines, there's a separate tool for structured, scheduled releases, the Economic Calendar. You'll find it in the same toolbox area, but under its own tab. Use the News tab to spot what's happening now, and the Economic Calendar to plan around known events like interest rate decisions, CPI, or GDP reports. To wrap up, enable News in Options. Open the toolbox with Ctrl+T, select the News tab to see headlines, and double-click to read full stories. Paired with the Economic Calendar, this helps you stay informed and make more deliberate trading decisions without leaving MT5.